first time feast. Today we're doing pheasant hunting. Let's get it.
Oh shit. Oh.
All right, so we bagged our birds. Let's head back to the house. I'm gonna show you how to make some pheasant nuggets. All right, so we're gonna make some pheasant nuggets. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get this breast off the bird. There's not a lot of meat on a pheasant, so you wanna be careful, cut down the ridge of that spine there, and you just wanna remove that breast. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it, we're gonna toss it in our small little food processor. Go ahead and take both breasts, stick them in there, and we're gonna wanna add an egg for protein. It's gonna add a little bit of fat, and it's gonna make this act as a little bit of a binder. It's just gonna stick pretty good. So choose from your selection of bougie ass Vital eggs. These are bullshit free eggs, but man, I tell you what, they are great. So go ahead and crack that sucker in there and let's get it rocking. We're gonna season this guy with salt, pepper, slap your mama, and then we're gonna finish it off with some seasoned breadcrumbs. This is gonna act as like a nice little sticking agent. And then go ahead and stick in just a little bit of cornstarch. I feel like it helps make like a nice fluffy texture. You're gonna blend this for about 15 to 30 seconds or until you get a nice meat paste. Then what you're gonna do is get yourself a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper, and then go ahead and divvy out some nugget-like meat shapes. Those look familiar, right? You're gonna go ahead and get those all formed out into patties, and you're gonna freeze this for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now that they're out of the freezer, let's go ahead and bread these bad berries. So go ahead and use your Nashville hot chicken seasoning, throw in some breadcrumbs, season it with some Slap Yo Mama, and then salt and pepper to taste. Give everything a nice little shake. As for the dredge, we're gonna go ahead and crack in 1 egg and then add a little bit of heavy cream just to give like a nice thickness. That's gonna add a lot of fat too. And then don't forget to splash in some hot sauce of your choice. Get this thing all mixed up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to breading. Go ahead and give everything a nice little bath here in the dredge. Move them around about 3, 4, 5 at a time. Toss them in your mixture and just give it a good little shake. I find that this gives it a really nice even coating. Go ahead and inspect them just for quality. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna head them straight over to the fryer and give them a fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Those are freaking gorgeous. Plate them up, serve them with your favorite barbecue sauce, and enjoy. I'm telling you, these are freaking awesome. These reminded me a lot of Wendy's. They had the same look, feel, texture. They're just a lot more dense, right? But awesome, super, super great. All right, here we go. I got some pheasant nuggies. Let's see what they taste like. Cheers. Honestly, dude, these are on point. I gave these off to some stranger, and they didn't know that this was pheasant. They'd scarf these down because they're thinking there's some Wendy's chicken nuggets. Let's get it. Take one of these guys, break it in half, show you the inside. That is pure white breast pheasant meat. All right, these nuggets, man, they're slapping.